What is up, friend, and how are you doing? Maverick right here, and today we're going to be discussing about the Vacationeer review. So if you've heard about this platform and you're also wondering what they're about, then let's discuss about them in this video review. And also you can use the comment box to also let us know your experience with these guys in case you've had one or two encounters with them. So they are a brand that helps you plan your vacation. Okay, so they have a partnership with Disney. Okay, you can see your authorized Disney vacation planner agency. Your dream vacation is our top priority. So if you have interest in maybe traveling with the Disney universe, then this is they are more like a middleman, okay, an agency that helps you to plan your vacation. All right. Now the thing about this is that they are gonna assign you an agent, okay, that is gonna be your guide for your vacation. So all your planning, everything will be done by this agent. So all you have to do is just to follow through whatever the agent is telling you, and you'll be good to go. So you don't literally have to stress yourself or do anything. So let's draw a little bit, and you can see right here, let's say quick start 25,000 plus magic vacation, and they have 75,000 plus dinner reservation and over 500,000 plus on board credit. More about them, you can see what we offer our guests. The service is 100% free. Our goal is to make your dream vacation a reality. And they also have the dinner reservation done for you, the best discount available. And also, they also have the number right there which you can call. Now this is all about them. And first, and if you go to vacationeer.com, you're gonna see all these, which is right there on their page. Although all these kind of pictures are more from free stock images, and travel, they said they've been featured on Travel Plus, Travel Await, CNBC, the Washington Post, Travel Plus, Leisure, and several other ones right there. So those might just be false claim. It doesn't matter if maybe they are actually real, and they have a little bit of testimonial there. And also the vacationeer difference, you can see. I think okay, these are. I think there's a picture of some of their agents, which are mostly women and ladies. So how it works, you contact one of their vacationers today. Okay, so here is how it works. You will contact one of our vacationers today, either by clicking on the free quotes page, calling us on the number, or choosing an agent from her team page and messaging them directly. So just like I said, they are gonna assign an agent to you, which you either you first contact or possibly choose an agent. So your vacation agent will tailor a quote to your vacation specification and advise you all along the way. Then once you are ready to book, your vacation agent will get your written authorization to make a deposit payment to secure your booking. So now the refurb begins. Will help you. They will help you with every aspect of planning, which is like advice on securing park pass reservation, securing dining reservations at your favorite restaurant, educating you on how to navigate the Disney transportation system, and also help you with learning the ins and outs of the Journey Plus application. I think that is connected to Disney, and answering all your questions so you arrive ready to enjoy your magical vacation. So which is kind of cool. And what they can help you with, where we are an authorized Disney vacation planner agency, there are some limits to how we can help. We cannot assist unless you book with us. Don't be discouraged if you already booked directly to Disney. If you booked in the last 30 days and haven't paid in full, we might still be able to help. Reach out and we'll let you know. So you have to book through them before they'll be able to help you. And they cannot book your flights, all right? And they generally cannot help you if you are booking only tickets for less than 3 days. So if you're booking only a ticket for less than 3 days, they won't help you with that. And also concerning you booking with them, they still said if you booked maybe in the last 30 days and you haven't paid in full, they might still be able to help you. Now, when in doubt, please reach out and we'll be able to help you if your unique case is something they can assist with. So yeah, right here you have the privacy policy, and I think that is all. So this is majorly about them. They help you to book. They assign you an agent, which is going to help you. Now let's talk about the drawback of this. Welcome back. So right here, let's talk about the drawback, which I realized and from my research about these guys. Now the first thing is that some of the agents are part-time or don't know much. Okay, now that's the first thing. The thing is that some of their agents, okay, are not really that professional, and they don't know much about planning the vacation stuff. They are just hustlers also who are trying to make money. So you should have that in mind. Sometimes you might also be lucky to have a good agent that knows everything that they are doing. You understand? But sometimes in some cases, some customers actually complained, okay, from one of the group that I belong to, forum that I belong to. I read some reviews there, and some saying their vacation planners, agents, they are not really that professional. All right. So they're just part-time agents that they just maybe after working throughout the week they just decide to retire on something. Okay. And one thing about this is that if you're the kind of person that you care much about your comfort, you might not want to bother with these guys, okay? Because this is something you could easily do by yourself. But maybe you don't care about your comfort, okay? Then you can go ahead and give them a try. But if you really care about your comfort, you might not want to bother about them. And since the agents are mostly on the affiliate approach, now that is another thing you have to know. It's not like maybe they are employees, they're just like an affiliate for this brand. Okay, it's not like maybe Vacationeer employ them and they're paying them full-time salary. No, it's more like on an affiliate base. So whereby they bring customers also, and if they bring customers they get their commission. So sometimes if they're being assigned a customer, they also have to find a way to make money for the company. So it's more like on an affiliate basis. Now, booking a call with the Disney Vacation shouldn't be much of a problem, except if you are very busy and maybe you don't have the time. That is when you might want to consider them. But if you have the time, I would suggest you just go ahead and book the call yourself. If you want to go on any vacation with Disney, you can do it yourself. You don't have to bother about passing through this platform to do all that. Although it's not like maybe I'm talking bad concerning them, they are legit, but they are agents. Some agents are not just too professional. Okay, they're just, some of them are hustlers. So in case you fall into such type of agent, you might actually get frustrated. So it's better that you just go ahead and book the call yourself. But if you don't have the time, then you might want to consider them, and probably you're lucky to fall into an agent that will satisfy you the more. However, let us know your experience about these guys in the comment box. Let's read more about you, and also it will make other people to make the best decision concerning booking with these guys. And please make sure that all your reviews are legitimate. Don't, if you are one of their agents, your review might not be accepted in the comments. So let us know what you feel about those guys. Thank you very much for your time. This brings me to the end of this video review. If you like this video, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos on this channel. And also hit the like button so that you can recommend this video to several other people who might have heard about this Vacationeer and they want to learn more about them. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace and take care. Bye.